Merry Christmas and have a happy holiday. So here is what I got for Christmas today, which is from earlier. This is my Nerf gun that I got. And then sometimes this is sometimes stuck, but we fix it. So here is the Nerf gun. And then and then here's my sister's Squishmallow. That's her Squishmallow that she got from Christmas. And here is my Nerf gun again. I've been playing this since now. I love it. I'll show you. Let me try to fix it first, and then after that, I'll see how far. We'll see how far it shoots. So wait. It's sometimes hard to fix this. Oh yeah, it's because it's jammed here. Here, wait. Here, look inside. You can see a bullet. Look right there. That's the bullet right there. I have to take out first, and then after that, I'll show you how far it goes. Okay, I just took it out now. It's coming out, I'll say. So here is the bullet. There's orange and then blue, and here's the blue and orange. And then here, this is the ammo box. This is the ammo. Okay, the ammo box. And then here, I take it out. And then here's what you're supposed to have. And then here, let's see how far it shoots. Let's find out. Hopefully mine's on. So apparently come on. I want to see my view. I want to show them, my subscribers and YouTube this. Okay, wait. Oh my god, it's jammed again. It's jammed again. Okay. I'm sorry for wasting your time, but here it's really hard to. It is hard to show you. Oh my god, please. Well, I'm not showing you that. I'll show you on part 2. Okay, I'll show you how far it shoots on part 2. So here's my Nerf gun that I got from Christmas. And then after this, I'm going to post another video when we're at Chuck E. Cheese yesterday. It's going to come out soon. And always have a happy holidays.